Hello students. So our next topic is Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer is a web browser software that is used to access information on our computer. Internet Explorer has been the most widely used web browser since 1999 and it is a part of MS Windows operating system. Internet Explorer can be opened in two ways. First, click the Start button, click All Programs, click the Internet Explorer. Alternatively, the second way, click the Internet Explorer icon from the quick launch bar from the system tray. So the Internet Explorer will be open. As you click the icon, the Internet Explorer window appears in which you can open any website. For example, look at the following screen of Internet Explorer showing a website. Let's learn about various components of Internet Explorer window. The first is address bar. We have to type the address of any website in the address bar area of the web browser. And after writing the address, enter key is pressed to open the website. Refresh button. The refresh button is clicked to start reloading the particular web page or site when that particular website or web page is not getting completely open due to some reason. Stop button. A website can be stopped from being displayed or loaded while it is still opening by clicking the stop button. Like if a hyperlink is clicked by mistake, so you can stop it by clicking the stop button. Back button. Suppose you have opened many web pages in the same window. So the back button is used to go backward or back page from the current page to the previous page. Forward button. Opposite to the back button, forward button is available only after you click the back button. It is used to go forward in the direction opposite to backward. Command bar. This bar is called the command bar in the Internet Explorer and it has several buttons. These buttons are used to make browsing faster and easier. Let's see some of the buttons. Home button. Using home button you can go back to the home page of the browser window. The home page of the Internet Explorer can be different and you can even set it according to your choice. So whenever you open the web browser, so that home page will come on your browser. Print button. If you want to take printout of any web page, so you can use this button. Help button. This button contains option for help on Internet Explorer. Favorites button. Sometimes you find a particular web page interesting, so you can save the URL address of this particular site in the browser with the help of this button. So next time you no need to type the address of that website. Tabs. Different websites can be opened at the same time using tabs. Click the new tab button and you get a new tab to open another website. Recent pages button. It shows a list of recently opened websites. History button. The list also contains a history button that shows the list of web pages you have visited during a particular number of days or week.